You can keep everything original. This is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to this 2010 Toyota Camry Hybrid original sound system from the factory. Today I'm going to show you how you can update and upgrade your 2010 Toyota Camry sound system. This is 2010 Toyota Camry with hybrid, which has come very nicely equipped with the navigations and everything. However, this one, it's 2010, and it only came with Bluetooth for talking, but not music. So I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth music to this original sound system, the Toyota 2010 Toyota Camry Hybrid with the original navigational sound system upgrade and update. All you got to do is get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadget will allow you to add Bluetooth music, for streaming music. And you can also add talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigation right through this system. So that way you can use Waze instead of this outdated navigational system, which does not have the real-time traffic. So if you were driving, you want to get real-time traffic, you want to use Waze, and you want to be able to hear all the instructions that come out from Waze. You'll be able to hear all that instructions coming through from this Camry car, from the Camry speakers. So essentially, the Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth music to this car, 2010 Camry, talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigations, so that way you can get all your instructions loud and clear through your car stereo system. Let me show you how. So all you got to do is turn on the car, and set your radio to 87.9. So we're gonna go to FM, AM. We're gonna go to FM1, and set it to 87.9. That's all you have to do. Now you just program that to one of your presets. Now you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is what a control unit looks like, and this is the power cord. All you got to do is connect it to the power cord and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth music to this Toyota original sound system with navigation. You do not need to take the radio out. You do not need to replace the radio. You do not need to modify the radio in any way.
Toyota Camry Bluetooth setup 2006-2012. Toyota Camry stereo and navigation infotainment system. A breakdown. The stereo and navigation infotainment system in the 2006-2012 Toyota Camry went through some changes throughout its production years, with features varying depending on trim level and options packages. Here's a breakdown. 2006-2008, standard audio system, AM/FM CD player with auxiliary input jack. Optional upgraded audio system, AM/FM CD player with 6-disc changer, MP3 playback capability, and an optional cassette player. Navigation. Optional DVD-based navigation system with a 6.5-inch touchscreen display. Bluetooth for calls was not available in these early models. 2009-2011, standard audio system, AM/FM CD player, with auxiliary input, jack and Bluetooth for calls. Optional upgraded audio system, AM/FM CD player with 6-disc changer, MP3 playback capability, Bluetooth for calls, and an optional cassette player. Navigation. Optional touchscreen navigation system with voice recognition and a larger display. Size varied, depending on trim level. Bluetooth music streaming became available as an option during this period on some models. 2012. Standard audio system, AM/FM CD player with auxiliary input jack, Bluetooth for calls, and USB port. Optional upgraded audio system, AM/FM CD player with 6-disc changer, MP3 playback capability, Bluetooth for calls, USB port, and navigation. Navigation. Optional. Entune TM. Audio system with touchscreen display, voice recognition, navigation, and Bluetooth music. Streaming as a standard feature, key features and changes. Bluetooth for calls became standard across all trim levels starting in 2009. Bluetooth music streaming remained an optional feature until 2012, when it became standard on models with the Entune TM audio system. Navigation system displays increased in size and functionality over the years. MP3 playback capability became standard across all trim levels by 2009. USB ports for iPod connectivity were gradually introduced starting in 2009 and became more common by 2012.
To add Bluetooth to your Toyota Camry sound system. Thank you for watching. You get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.